The bench trial for the man accused of hitting and killing a K-9 officer is expected to start tomorrow in Warren County. Michael Sims is accused of driving the wrong way on South River Street and hitting a police cruiser with two officers and the K-9 inside. This happened this past November. Here's what we know about the case so far.
I wanted to say that me trying to hit the police officer, it wasn't intentional. I wasn't intending to hurt him.
All right.
I wasn't intending to hurt him.
Mr. Sims, I'm going to stop you there a little bit.
This is Michael Sims in court in November of 2023. He faces 2 counts of felonious assault and 1 count of assaulting a K-9. Authorities accuse Sims of intentionally driving the wrong way on a one-way street and slamming into a police cruiser, injuring 2 officers and killing K-9 police unit Fury.
It's a very special bond. I mean, the K-9 goes home with the officer. It's not only part of that officer himself being his partner, but it's part of the family.
This is footage of Fury's memorial service. Authorities say Sims was going 70 in a 25-mile-per-hour zone. Sims' fiance says he is schizophrenic and talked to one of our reporters after court in November. She says he was without his medication and they were in the middle of a move.
I was on the phone with him 18 minutes before the accident happened, and that whole time he kept asking me, are you alive? Are you really there? Are you in your body? Just stuff that you wouldn't find normal.
If he would have pulled over that day and called 911, those 2 officers would have went above and beyond to take care of him and make sure he wasn't going to hurt himself or anyone else.
Sims' fiance says she called a non-emergency police line and alerted them to his situation before the crash because she realized he was having an issue. Prosecutors alleged he intentionally swerved into the officers. Data from his car shows he stayed on the accelerator the whole time. This is body cam of the aftermath of the crash.
Face down! Put your hands behind your back!
And a bench trial means Sims chose to have his fate decided by a judge and not a jury of his peers.